All right, so I've already prepped my nails, so I'm just going to glue the tips on. So I like to hold it for just a second and then come in and pinch the sides so they stay. Going to give them a little buff. Next, I'm going to take the gelish foundation and I'm going to concentrate most of this on my nail plate, but I will drag it down the tip. That it is not going to be as easy. Okay, and I'm just fading, turn my hand the other way and use the opposite side of the brush going to do a second layer uncured and again bring it back. I like to let that settle for just a second and then pull it back more. You can take an ombre brush. I find this just as easy. So now I'm taking pink one step, and this is just a clear-ish pink, and we're going to apply it 2/3 down. Grab our bigger bead, plop it. I like to push down, spin, and then work it down the nail. Okay. Gonna flip it upside down just to get some back in the middle. And just slightly fade it down. All right, so I want to show you this. See how there is a divot here? Because obviously you have more pink than to the white, and that's where I go in with some clear builder gel. I'm using IBD, but use whatever you want. And I just essentially go back to the 1/3. All right, I'm going to do some marbling on top. So I'm just going to build this nail up. I am also going to build up that middle nail with that pink one step. Going to repeat the ombre again, or baby boomers, however you approach it. I am taking marshmallow and walking it down the nail, and if you notice, my brush is actually sideways and then I move it flat. So I was trying to move product down without taking a ton of product, and then we'll come in with that pink one step and build it up and then apply that clear gel as well. Taking marshmallow, and we are going to put this all over the nail. I am going to put this on a little bit thicker because we are doing those little beads on top and some gold foil. So I'll apply the gold foil right into the tacky layer, and I like to pat it down. It's easier with my hands. I would wear gloves, but I did not, but I recommend it. And so I'm going to apply that, move it around, and then I'm going to apply a non-white top coat. So you want a non-wipe here because what you're going to do is dump the beads on, meaning it's going to cure in whatever you have on top here, and you want it to be a no-wipe top coat. Going to take those crystals and, you know, do a little reverse action because I thought it looked really cool, and then we're going to add them back, and then we will go ahead and pat the sides, knock off any extra, and just make sure that it's not sticking out to be uncomfortable. Taking a Prey art ink and acetone, I'm going to marble this guy. I just grabbed some top coat here and I'm just quickly putting it on because I want the middle to kind of have a swirl with a couple different glitters. I use a random glitter and then I kind of use one of those flakes, but it had the pink tint to it. Taking that same top coat, and I wanted to add some of that gold foil, and I wanted it to be smaller pieces, so I kind of just stuck it down, and then I'm taking this flat spatula part and I am just breaking it up, and you'll see I use it and scrape it and push it, so I'm just trying to break it up because I want it to be smaller pieces because I don't want it to take away from that ombre. And then we are going to top coat these bad boys. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.